Okay, so here's everything that comes in the box. Obviously, your headphones, the paperwork, and then this hard case that I did not expect. It's pretty nice. You got the Razer logo on there. Rugged, double zipper on the inside. Obviously, they will fold up. I'll show you that later. And then you get your cables. Now, this is different from what I'm used to from Razer. So you get your 3.5 cable with a mic on it. Then you get the straight, just regular 3.5 to 3.5 cable with no mic on it. And then you get a 1/4-inch adapter, which all of this I did not expect to come. And it comes in a little carrying bag there. The inside is like a velvet almost. Maybe I'm not saying that right, but like I said, you can see that they fold up and go right in there. This is really nice. For $100, what you get is pretty nice, and this is from 7 years ago that they were doing this. Now it's just a cardboard box and your headphones and a cable and the paperwork. So, this is nice for $100, and I wish that it was still like this. Moving on. Speaking of the box, here is the back of it with all the specs, showing you everything that it can connect to and the ohms, hertz, the microphone, all that kind of stuff. The cable locks into the headphones, which is nice. I'll show you that later. So yeah, that is the back of the box. Go ahead and pause it and take a look for yourself. Okay, so here's the headphones themselves. Razer Kraken Forged Edition. These are really nice looking. They're all metal, which makes them heavy, but I personally like that heavy feeling. It makes it feel premium, opposed to like the JBLs that I have that are made of the all plastic. I know that they're not cheap, but it just feels cheap. Razer logo that you can tell is 7 years old. Now, I don't know if these have been in the Amazon warehouse for 7 years or if Razer just put these back out again, because it's the first time that I've seen them on the site. But for 7 years old, these things are comfortable, sound fantastic, and look great. I mean, I wish that they would come out with something else like this with maybe a little bit bigger ear cups. My ears are regular to small, I guess, so they fit inside there. Super comfortable. Headband doesn't have a whole lot of padding up there, but just enough to where it doesn't feel like it's hurting you. These do fold up like you saw with the box, with the hard case. And then the cable goes in like so, and then in and twist, and then it stays in. Then you just turn it and out it comes, which is great because my green Razer Krakens that I had, the cable went, so I can't do anything with those headphones now. And I loved them, and they're useless. So that's why I got these primarily, was because there was a detachable cable. I didn't realize, I know it says forged, but I didn't know that they'd be all metal like they are, and they are all metal. The clamping force might be tight for some people, depending on how big your head is. The people that I had try them on said that they were comfortable, but they were heavy. And they are a little heavy, and I thought that the clamping force was a little tight, but if you stretch it out just a little bit before you put them on, and then over, I don't know, 5 minutes or so, you don't even feel the clamping force anymore. So let's move on to why everybody's here. And that's a sound test.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Sıhhi yardım çantası, tedavi ol. Teşekkürler. İsabet aldı. Sıhhi yardım çantası, tedavi ol. İsabet aldı. Fırlatıyorum.
So there it is, the Razer Kraken Forge Edition. Apparently 7 years old, bought just recently here in 2021, and I think it stands up. You know, I like the detachable cable. I like the fact that it's all metal. It's really comfortable. As long as you're okay with the weight, it's comfortable. The hard case, the extra cables, and the 1/4-inch jack, all of it. It's all just, I think it's great, and I think that Razer should go back to this. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.